President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee but MP Barim ni Shillong, uba Vincent H. Pala, ulapin pa wa ula Ïakhun biang hagabay election jong ka Shillong Lok Sabha. Hawakrench kilat patay Khubor, uba pala ula ong bawatla ang patshimray bakadu, hinray ki babon ki nongyalam ka party kila Krishan ba Ïakhun biang. Ulayot huru, ba ka jingyalang man shimray kansalong shen, bat ka party ka thong ban pinkut ya ka jingjit ya ukirtong hapo ka khatsan tering ujamang. Ulaong, baha kasian baladeb, tadeb terwai ka kerteng jong hinray shimpediang no mardor na mar uhap banyakren bat ka yang kasem bat ki parlong, Mynta pat harian ka jingakren bat ki noyalam, udang perkhat bha halor ka ni ka binta. Uba pala ulapin shairu ba ka rukom jit kertong kalong ba na Jylla anpa shidelhi, bat ya ka jingalang hadelhi kan sa shim ya ka rai ka bakhadu. Ha ka jo kapor ulaong, ba ka party kadang pinklan ya ka jingitrelang ha ki kerdan district bat blong, da ka bapinlong jingalang manla ka Sngi ban pinkre ya ka election banwan. Ka jingalang ban shimrai khadu halor ukertong kala ban long shen.
All the district presidents at the same time we are organizing at the block level now. So hopefully we have been for the last 1 month we on the job. We do have meeting almost every day. You have seen we had a meeting in Milim at the block level. We had also in Ri. So today I'm here because we'll be having a meeting in the evening. So we are now mainly concentrating in organizing the party at the different levels, at the district level and the block levels. So we are in full swing. At the block level we have all, but of course maybe out of 36 blocks, 1 or 2 blocks we have to renew. Some of them they are gone. So otherwise overall we have all the block presidents and the district presidents.
Are you contesting to add to this?
I think we don't have anybody. I have to contest, but the formal meeting and last time we had a meeting, a resolution was sent to Delhi that I should be contesting, but we didn't take the views of all the block and the districts. So I think we'll have another meeting maybe after 10th of May. Then we'll have another meeting, then we'll decide. So there was one meeting where they proposed my name and that has been sent to Delhi. But at that time I told them wait because I have to discuss with my family, I have to discuss with my friends. So I think let's have another round of meetings. So we'll be having another round of meetings. Hopefully we should be able to decide. But it doesn't mean that I'm only the one, maybe others also. But let's hope, let's see. But a majority of them, I think they told me to contest.
So
no, that's not yet finalized because for Shillong or not only when they decide a candidate, we have to send from the state to the central, and the central there will be a election authority for who look all over India. So it's not that will finalize the name. So as of today, we have not even sent the names. We have only sent the resolution which we feel that it should be, but we have to send in a proper format, not only for Meghalaya, but many other states like in Assam there will be a by-election. Many of the MPs who are just contested or will be contesting the MLA in this election in 5 states. So some of the MPs who will win the MLA seats, they will resign, and those seats also will be, I think, at the same time all over India, because I think hopefully. So that's why it's not been finalized, it's not been declared. So it's only a proposal which was done before. Even that proposal, I think we'll sit again now and we'll revise, and then we'll think we have to have a strategy for it.
So
by within 15th of May, we should be able to finalize.
Okay.
Last time we had a meeting, the entire district presidents of in these 36 blocks, and many of the leaders of the party as well as the block presidents, so unanimously they have recommended. But that's why I said at that time I didn't say yes. I have to talk because I have to also talk to other members of my family also, because I lost the election and I decided at that time that I will not fight election again. I have taken Manuel everywhere to fight for the election. We didn't expect that there will be a by-election. So with the by-election come, I think they told me to reconsider, to rethink. So that's why I told them, let me think it, and then I think we'll have a meeting.